Hello, and welcome back to English Speaking Zone. Let me ask you a question. What would you do if you arrived at a hotel, but your room key didn't work, the air conditioner was broken, and the bill was wrong? Would you feel nervous speaking English? Today's story will help you because you will learn real English you can use in real life. Before we begin, here is a small question for you. Why does the front desk apologize to Emma later in the story? Listen carefully to find the answer. Are you ready? Let's begin.
Wow, we finally made it. I'm so tired.
Me too. The flight felt endless. But this hotel looks nice.
Yes, the lobby is big and bright. I like it already.
Let's check in. The front desk is over there.
Good afternoon. Welcome to Riverstar Hotel. How can I help you? Hi, we have a reservation. Of course, under what name? It's under the name Alex Lewis. Let me check. Yes, Mr. Lewis. 2 nights, 1 double room. That's correct. May I see your passport, please?
Sure, here you are.
Thank you. Here are your key cards. Your room is 412 on the 4th floor.
Thank you.
Breakfast is from 7 to 10 a.m. Great. Thank you very much. Enjoy your stay. That was easy. So far, so good.
Yes, I feel relieved already.
Room 412. Here it is.
Yes, let me try the card.
The light is red. Try again.
Still red. That's strange.
Try one more time.
Okay. Maybe I'm doing it wrong.
Let me try.
No, it's not working.
I just want to lie down.
Okay, let's go back to the front desk.
Hello again. Is everything okay? Sorry, but our room key doesn't work. Oh, I'm sorry about that. Let me make a new one for you. Thank you. Here you go. This one should work. Okay, we'll try again.
Ah, the light is green. It works.
Finally. Whew, it's really hot in here.
Yeah, the air conditioning isn't on.
Okay.
Let me try the remote.
Nothing.
I try again.
Still nothing.
Okay, that's another problem.
Let's call the front desk. How can I help you? Hello, this is room 412. The air conditioning isn't working.
I'm very sorry. I'll send someone up right away.
Thank you. At least they're helpful.
Yes, that makes me feel better. Now it's cool. That feels so much better.
Yeah, I was starting to get annoyed. But now I'm relaxed again.
Hotel problems happen, but we handled them.
In English!
Exactly. That feels good.
Good morning. Good morning. We're checking out, room 412. Of course. Here is your bill. Excuse me, I think this bill is wrong. Oh, let me check.
It says a minibar charge. But we didn't use the minibar.
You're right. I apologize. I'll fix that now. Thank you. Here is the corrected bill. Perfect.
I'll pay by card.
Thank you for staying with us. And again, I'm sorry for the trouble earlier. Thank you. We understand and we appreciate your help.
Yes, thank you for resolving it so quickly.
We had so many problems.
But we solved everything.
And we spoke English the whole time.
Yes, that feels good.
Next time, I won't be so scared.
Me neither.
Great job watching to the end. So, why did the front desk apologize? Because there were problems with the key, the air conditioning, and the bill. Now, let's review 5 useful sentences from today. Repeat after me. We have a reservation. The room key doesn't work. The air conditioning isn't working. I think this bill is wrong. We appreciate your help. Excellent. These are real sentences you can use in real life. You don't need perfect English. You just need clear, simple English. If you enjoyed this story, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. Write your answer to today's question in the comments. Practicing like this helps your English grow every day. Thank you for listening. See you in the next story.